estáis? Hello everyone, how are you all? So today we are going to learn about how to say goodbye in Spanish. So let's start. The topic is las despedidas. Las despedidas. Las despedidas. Despedidas. Adios. So the first word is adios. That means bye, which means goodbye. Adios. Adios. So hasta luego means see you later. See you later. See you later. Then hasta pronto. Hasta pronto is see you soon. Hasta la vista, the famous sentence, the famous farewell to say hasta la vista. That means see you next. Now it's like slang. It's a famous slang now. So hasta la vista. Adios. Adios. Hasta luego. Hasta pronto. Hasta la vista. Adios. Hasta luego, hasta pronto, hasta la vista. I hope these words are clear to you. So in Spanish we never pronounce H, so it is hasta luego. Never say hasta luego. It's incorrect. Hasta. Hasta luego. Hasta pronto. Hasta la vista. Hasta la vista. Ahora, dos más palabras. Two more words here. So nos vemos. Nos vemos, that means see you. You can even say, instead of saying adios, you can say nos vemos. Okay? Cuídate. Cuídate, that means take care. Take care. Cuídate. This is the time to say bye to you all. So adios everyone. Thanks for watching this. Take care.